Hello there. Welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Nina and I came from the Philippines. I am passionate and patient ESL teacher with teaching experience since August 2025. Throughout my teaching journey, I have had the opportunity to work and experience both children and adult learners with different cultural background and nationality. I teach them to improve their communication skill and speaking English with confidence. I have also the TFL certificate, which has equipped me to be more effective and creative when it comes to my lesson. Because I believe that every learners learn differently, so I always adapt my teaching style to meet learners' needs and goals. In my class, I focus on while teaching, we're enjoying at the same time because I believe that learning English should be more fun and effective. So, book a lesson now, and I really hope to see you in my class. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.